Okay, hello everyone. Now, yesterday we started with subtraction of rational numbers, right? Today we will finish this lesson and you'll have your homework, okay? Done? Yeah. So let's continue with subtraction of rational numbers. Lesson 3, lesson 4, lesson 3, subtract rational numbers. مالك؟ سألتك. أنا سألت. مش داعي تحكي ده، أنا ما سألت، صح؟ خلص، ما أنا ما سألتش ما تحكيش. سهلة. Rational numbers. So we are on page 199. Now, yesterday we did example 1 and it's check, right? But now, in our idea here, we said, what's the date today? 27 September. But now we said to add and subtract rational numbers, we follow, don't forget, we follow the integers formulas, right? In addition and subtraction, if we have different signs, we subtract and put the bigger sign. If we have similar signs, we add and put the same. Don't forget, in division and multiplication, different signs, the sign is always of the answer negative. Similar signs, the sign is always positive. We applied these formulas so much or too much in module 3, but we keep applying them where? In all over our lives, right? Don't forget that. So here, let's start with example 2. We are on page 199. Example 2, we are on page 199. Find, please focus. Find 5 and 1 over 3 minus, bracket, minus 4 and 5 over 9. Now, in module 3, we said if we have two signs followed by each other, we replace them with one sign, right? Remember? Minus, minus, we replace them with plus or positive. Minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, minus, plus, 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 right? So here we have two signs followed by each other, right? مظبوط. So here minus, minus, we replace them with. Now turn this to fraction, turn this to fraction, and do your calculations normally. صح? Yeah. 3 by 5, 6 plus 1, 16. 16 over 3 plus 36 with 5, 41 over. Now, like denominators or not like, we made it in like, right? 3 and 9, we can make the 3 to be 9 by multiplying up and down with 3. So it's 16 over 3, both multiplied by plus 41 over. This is equal 32, 48, right? Over 9 plus 41 over, which is equal to 89. Good. 89 over 9. Now make long division. 89 over 9, it is 9. 81 subtract 8. Good. So the final answer is 9 and 8 over 9. Done? No. مين بيحكي؟ ايش مالك؟ مالها؟ What? 89 divided by 9 how much? 89 divided by 9 equal 9. متأكد أنت؟ طب ارجع التايم تيبل واحفظه بعدين تعال احكي معي. يلا. طب we have check after this example. This is solved example. It's in your book, right? Maybe you have some spaces. You can fill them there. Fill them. Don't leave spaces. In your book. محسن fill. يلا. هلا هو مش محلول عندك بس تاركين لك شوية spaces هيك بتعبيهم هدول. Here. All is here. Okay, guys? يا أخي. Quickly. Better check your mic. I tried to unmute you, but it's not valid.
Yes, yes, Mister.
Yeah. What?
I didn't understand. Yes, I understand the lesson, but in the first question, question 2, they in the spaces they were saying about the LCD.
Which page يا ابني؟ أي question?
In the same one.
This one?
In the spaces, yes, yes.
ماله؟
They are saying, they said the LCD of 3 and 9 is 9. They give us spaces or something minus something.
طيب.
I didn't know what to write there.
هي solved قدامك فاهم هذا أنت؟ حله اكتبه عندك. هذا
Okay,
فاهمه؟
Yes.
خلاص اكتبه عندك.
Okay, thank you.
طيب. Let's go to the check. يلا. read يا محمد. We are on check page 199. Read again يا ابني. 3 and 1 over 2 minus ركز. We have two minuses here, right? The first one we say minus because this is the operation between the two mixed numbers. The second one, what we say? Negative. Here we have minus the other one, which is what? 1 and 3 over 10, right? This one, the first one, we call it minus, normal. 4 minus 2, عادي. Why? Because this one, it is in between the two mixed numbers. The second one, it is the sign of this number. Got it? So how we read it correctly, we say 3 and 1 over 2 minus negative 1 and 3 over 2. If you say minus, minus, negative, negative, it's correct. I won't focus on this point, but to let you know, that's all. Huh? Same of example. So minus, minus, we turn them to plus. Then we do our steps. Yeah, go, solve it. Find the answer. Yeah. Find the answer. Give me answers if you finish. Hands, hands. Hands يا ابني ركز. Finish? You finish the question? What's the answer? 4 ركز اهدى شوي قول بسم الله يلا read. ايوه 3 and 4 and 3 over 10. Is it correct? What's the answer? 4 and 8 over 10. It's not simplest form. This is simplest form. هذا 2. Ryan. What? 10 and 4 over 8. Else? 4 and 4 over 5. 4 and 4 over 5. Let's check. Yeah. So we have a lot of different answers, right? So here minus minus, we replace them with plus. This will be 10 this to fraction. 2 by 3, 1, 6. It is 7 over plus 20 or 13 over what? Now 2 to 10 multiply by 2, sorry, by 5 by, this will be 35 over 10 plus 13 over 10. This is equal. Now down we have what? Up we have 48. 48 over 10, if you divide, you say it is 4 and 8 over 10. This is correct answer, but it's not simplest form. Focus. In your multiple choice questions, you won't find this 4 and 8 over 10. You'll find it in simplest form. We did this a lot before, right? So here the 8 over 10, make it simplest form. It will be what? Here divide by 2, divide by 2, it will be 4 and 4 over 5. Okay? This is the check, page 199. You can solve it in your book. Please, guys, if you copy in your book, use pencil, please. Pencil. It's better for you. Type. This is the check. Copy it, please. Check your mistakes if you have, and we will go after to example 3. Guys in the line, if you have any questions, put your hands, please. If you have any questions, put your hands. Yes, yeah.
Sir, can the answer be 4.8?
4.8, yes, it can be, but because the two numbers here are mixed numbers, so the answer make it mixed number. But if the answers in the multiple choice questions were or will be decimals, you turn it to decimal. How we turn this one to decimal? You take 4 over 5 هذه and make long division عادي. 4 over 5, 4 divided by 5, 4 divided by 5, it will be 0.8. So this will be 4.8. Got it? Got it? So it depends. Both answers are correct. Let's go to example 3 now. Evaluate expressions. Evaluate expressions. We did this idea before, right? Now we said the first step in evaluating an expression was replace the variables by their values, then use order, calculate, right? So the first step, always don't forget that. Replace the variables. It can be one variable or more than one variable, right? Replace the variables by their EI or IE, by their values. Then what? Then calculate, right? Now to calculate depends on, if you have more than one operation, you use order of operations. Yeah, let's take example 3 on this idea. Evaluate, the example said, evaluate. Example 3, we are on page 200, I think. Yeah, evaluate x minus y, given that x is given x equal -2 and 4 over 5, -2 and 4 over 5, -2 and 4 over 5, and y also is given by 1.4. Yeah, let's follow our strategy here, our note. Replace the variables by their values, then we can calculate. Let's replace. So I'll replace x by this mixed number, which is -2 and 4 over 5, and I will replace y by 1.4, right? This is the first step. So this is equal, فاهم يا شكري? This is equal x minus y. X is -2 and 4 over 5. Minus y means minus 1.4. Now in the previous lesson, معايا ولا لا؟ معايا انتوا ولا نايمين؟ In the previous lesson, we said if we have two different types, here we have two different types, mixed number and the fraction. Either we turn the mixed number to fraction, the mixed number or the fraction to decimal, or we turn the decimal to fraction. Then we calculate normally, right? Now here, let's turn them to fractions. We love fractions, right? So here, how we turn this to fraction? We forgot the negative, remember? Ignore the negative, turn it normally, then give the negative for the numerator, not the denominator, right? Yeah. So this is equal, ايش مالك؟ ها؟ Focus. This is equal. Now instant negative شوي. فاهم يا عمر؟ Yeah. 5 by 2, 10 plus 4, 14 over, and give the negative for the 14. Don't say 5 by -2. صح؟ Yeah. Now minus this 1.4. تعال نعملها هيك على جنب. ال 1.4 هذه هي 1 and 4 over صح؟ هاي. Turn it to fraction, it will be 10 by 1, 10 plus 4, 14 over, put it here. 14 over what? 10. Now, down we have 5 and 10. We turn the 5 to 10 by multiplying with 2. So here, I'll multiply here by 2 and here by 2. So it will be -14 times 2 different signs. The answer is negative. Negative how much? Multiply 28. -14 times 2, it is negative over -14 over equal. Now down we have what? 10. خلصنا down. Up. What we have up? -28, -14. مش هيك؟ -28 -14. What's this? Huh? Same signs. Stand up. Guys in the online, give me a minute, please. Now here, -28 -14. This we took it in module 3. Similar signs, we add and put the same sign. So -28, -14, how much? negative how much? Add 28 plus 14, 42. This is 42. Now turn it to next number. This will be negative, ماليش فيها. 42 divided by 10, it is 4 and 2 over 10. Now the 2 over 10, make it simplest form, it will be, so the answer will be negative 4 and 1 over. You can say negative 4 point, because 1 over 5 is 0.2. So you can use both of them. Done? Now this is example 3. Go down, we have what? Check after example 3. Do it by your copybook or by your book quickly, please. Same idea. Yes. What? Which answer? Which question? Answer of what? I check. Which page? Stand up. Yeah. Tell me the steps. What you will do to find the answer which you told me. Yeah. We have x minus y. X is 3 and 3 over 4. Y negative 4.2. Yeah. Tell me in details. تغلط بزعل. Remove this. Let me hear you. Yeah. لا. This is not the first step. The first step we replace the variables by their values. مش هيك؟ عم نلعب احنا؟ ها؟ ايوه. وبعدين انت الستبس قدامك؟ الستبس قدامك؟ Do you have the steps in front of you? يلا sit down and read what you wrote. يا زلمة عارف غير هالحكي. بعدين يلا let's do the check. يلا Ahmed will help me evaluate. We have also x minus y, but at this time x is 3 and 3 over 4. Y is negative 4.2. This is the check after example 3. يلا يا مستر. Tell me. Equal, ها? يا خلصنا. هلا شو اكتب؟ الآن شو اكتب أنا؟ شو بتصير هاي؟ minus negative 4 over 20. 4 over 20 كيف 4 over 20 يصير؟ ايوه شكري. يلا what we write? Focus. يلا the first step we replace the variables by their values. Let's replace. ما احنا ما عملناش replace صح؟ يلا what's the value of x? أي 3 and 3 over 4. Now this is the minus after x we put it right. طب what's the value of y? لا وينها؟ تعال اوعى بزعل. What's the value of y? negative 4 مش 4.2 صح؟ هذه 4.2 لا 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 I will replace the variable. What I will put in place of y? Negative 4.2. لا صح. Negative from the equation and negative from the number. Don't forget that. Don't mess with that. Focus. Follow the expression. The expression has x, then minus, then y. This is x, this is minus, this is y, right? صح? Step by step. Now we have two minuses. We replace them by. Now turn and do what you want. Okay? فاهم يا غسان? Yeah. Now 4, 3 and 3, how much? 15 over 4. Plus, this is 4.2. It is 4 and 2 over 10. Not 4 over 20. 4 and 2 over 10, which is how much? 42 over 10. You can simplify it. 42 over 10 هذا. You can make it smaller, simpler. Right? Divide by 2 up and down. It will be 21 over, which is أحسن. صح? What?
If I do not report and I add them, then I divide and do all the third one. Is that okay?
Give me correct answer, then it's okay. ماشي? Yeah. Now here we said 4.2 means 4 and 2 over 10. صح؟ طب ال 2 over 10 هذه ايش؟ 4 and 2 over 10. This 2 over 10 أنا عارف إنك والله عارف إنك it is 1 over, so this is equal 4 and 1 over 5. I'm simplifying. If you don't, it's okay, but it will be bigger numbers for you. That's all. So here it will be 4 and 1 over 5. Now turn it to fraction. 21 over 5. So this is plus 21 over 5. صح? Now 4 and 5 down, we turn them to like denominators by multiplying with each other, right? So فاهم معاذ? Yeah. This is equal 15 over 4 both times 5, and here 21 over 5 both times 4. صح ولا لا؟ طيب. Now this is equal. We don't need this, by the way. This is equal. Now here, 15 by 5, 75 over 20, plus 21 by 4, 84 over كمان 20. Now down we have a 20. Up let's add 75 with 84, 150, 159, right? صح? Yeah. So it is 159 over what? Make long division. عادي. Make long division, normal. So 159 divided by 20 فيها 7 صح؟ 7 by 20 is 100. Subtract 9, 19. So the answer is 7 and 19 over. طيب if you don't لحظة معي. هلا مش احنا عملنا ال 4.2 4 and 2 over 10 then 1 over 5. If you don't make this 1 over 5, you will have bigger numbers, right? If you continue calculating, here you will have bigger numbers. This one, 159 over 20 will be bigger, okay? If you do simplest form for your bigger numbers, it will be this one. 159 over 20 same answer يعني. Okay, done. ايش؟ كم من 19 over 20؟ Let me check. 19 over 20. It is 0.95. This 19 over 20, 0.95. So you can turn it to decimal by writing 7 points. It is the same. This, same of this, same of this, the same. But in our exams, I will accept this one or this one. It's okay. Both are correct. This is example 3 and it's check. Now let's see our homework for today. We are on page 201. Before we talk about the homework, if you have any questions, put your hands, guys. Any questions? Yes. اعمل اللي بدي اياه. Good. Else? Any questions? Are you sure? In the online students, any questions? Yes, Hilal.
No.
استغفر الله العظيم. إياد.
What? نعم.
Yes, Iyad. Do you have any questions?
Three. I did it, Mister. I did 7 of 9 over 20.
Yes, exactly. This is correct answer.
Yeah, it's correct. You are right.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
يعني عيب نضحك على زميلنا صح ولا لا؟ بتحرجوا مع أهله كمان. مزبوط؟ هي قلة حياة اسمها يا عامر. Thank you. طيب. Now your homework is page 201. All the page. Done? ها؟ ما الله. لا الله assignment يوم Thursday إن شاء الله. What? Okay, guys in the online, thank you. Do your homework, don't forget.